İro mijarame de zamanê hada lekera adikar Karînê. Our today's subject is the modal verb Karîn, which is can in English. In Kurdish language, the modal verb Karîn behave just like the other verbs in present tense or in present continuous tense. In affirmative sentence construction, it starts with pronouns as, to, el, em, hun, el. For conjugating modal verb Karîn, we add present tense prefix d and present tense stem of Karîn, which is kar, as you see, and then endings for the pronouns, which are I, e, n. And then we use the second verb, which tells the action. The second verb in modal construction is a special form, the subjunctive. This form is also used to express commands, offers, and in the imperatives. I will tell about this subject later in more details. The subjunctive form of the verb is based on the present stem, but it takes a special b subjunctive prefix, and the rest is conjugated as in normal present tenses. The same set of person endings e, n is also added to the present stem. I know it sounds complicated, and yet the examples will clarify all the clouds in your curious minds. Let's look at the examples. Our second verb in here is Karîn, and look at the sentence as dikarim bikin, which means I can do. Look, the first personal pronoun as and the present tense prefix de and the present stem of Karîn, kar is here, and the personal ending and then second verb which with subjunctive prefix b and this present tense stem of Karîn, which is k in here, and personal, the same personal ending so we can say as dikarim bikim, I can do as dikarim bikim. Let's look at the other example. Here is the same. The second verb is chun, and our pronoun is the second pronoun, which is to, means you in English. To dikare bichi, which means you can go. To dikare bichi, you can go. Here, as you see, the second personal pronoun to and present tense prefix de and present tense stem of kar and personal ending e for to. So, and the second verb is like that. The subjunctive b, present tense subjunctive b, and present tense stem of chun, which is ch in here, and personal ending e for to. To the bichi, you can go, but not now, because we have a lot to tell. Okay, let's look at the other one. Our second verb in here is listen, which means play, to play. And look at the sentence, el dikare belize. She can play, or he can play, or it can play. And the same rule. Personal pronoun, present tense prefix de, present tense stem of Karîn, kar, and personal ending e. And the second verb, subjunctive present tense prefix b and present tense stem of listen, which is liz in here, and personal ending e. El dikare belize. She can play, he can play, it can play. Ahvin, which means to speak. Let's look at the example. Em dikarim bahvin, which means we can talk. Hun dikarim bahvin, which means you can talk. And el dikarim bahvin, which means they can talk. The same rule as you see. And let's look at the negative form of this modal verb in Kurdish. As you see, it is the same with affirmative sentence construction. Just one difference, which is n in here. Here it is, yeah, here it is, n. So actually in Kurdish we mostly use ne or na for making negative sentences, but in here it is irregular, so we use n for Karîn modal verb. So let's look at the examples and you will understand better. The same example but with negative form. As nikarim bikin, our sentence is this, which means I cannot do or I can't do. The only difference is we didn't add present tense prefix the. We put it out, we send it somewhere else. We said you can go and have holiday somewhere. And instead of it, we add negation form ne. Okay, so as nikarim bikin. As nikarim bikin. You know, this is really hard to prepare. Yeah, but I do it for you. Anyway, so let's look at the other example. We solved the affirmative sentence example, now the negative form. To nikare bichi. You cannot go. You can't go. To nikare bichi. You cannot go. You can't go to nikare bichi. Let's look at the other one. Eu nikare bilize. She can't play. He can't play. It can't play. Eu nikare bilize. He can't play. She can't play. It can't play. Eu nikare bilize. Eu nikare bilize. Okay, let's look at the other one. And the last example. Em nikarin blahblah. We can't speak. Hun nikarin blahblah. You can't speak. Eu nikarin blahblah. They can't speak. Okay? Em nikarin blahblah. Hun nikarin blahblah. Eu nikarin blahblah. But to me, you can talk, you can speak, okay? Because speaking is very essential in learning language. So, this is the end. Take care of yourself. Hope see you in the next video.